Oh, hey there. Welcome to the Ask the Expert on YouTube. I'm Dan Danowski. I'm the expert that we're putting on YouTube because Ed quit. So today's question is, how much does it cost to run a space heater? Oh, so one of our other videos, we talk about what a space heater is. If you don't know what that is, you can check it out. But if you're like, no, I've been alive for like a minute and a half, so I know what a space heater is. Then yeah. So how much does it cost to run a space heater? Okay. So space heater, the most common ones are electric, okay? And electric heating is the most costly form of heating, generally speaking. So like a space heater is not something you wanna heat your whole house with. You don't wanna throw out your gas furnace and go get like 20 space heaters and plug them in, because that would be crazy expensive. Like for example, I found this example online. Let's say you have a 1500 watt heater running 24 hours a day, at a cost of 10 cents per kilowatt hour. That'll cost you about $100 a month. Okay, so now that's like, oh, you're like, oh, that's not bad. Well, except that is for heating like a really small space, like half a room, right? That's not for your whole house. So for your whole house, you might need like 10, which if you can do math, that's like $1,000. So yeah, don't try to do a space heater in your home. Again, unless you stole a propane truck and you can't get propane anymore. Then, okay, bye. Hey, you want to know how much it costs to do space heating? Well, I gave you the formula I found online, and I'm not really good at math beyond that, so I don't know. So don't ask me any more questions about that. But you can ask other questions, and you can put them in the comments. Or you can go to iwa.com, and you can put them there. Or you can email me at dan.danowski@iwa.com. Email. I got it tripped. Okay, bye.